Welcome back to An Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I will show you how to make crispy, flaky and golden crispy layered Lachha Paratha, perfect for any meal. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup milk, 1/3 cup water, 1 teaspoon sugar and 2 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Now add 2 cups flour and half teaspoon salt. Mix into a soft dough. Rub some oil on top and keep aside for 10 minutes. Resting the dough makes it soft and easy to roll. Divide the dough into 4 portions. Roll each into a thin layer. Brush with a little oil. And place the rotis one over another. Use oil between the layers to get the flaky texture. Cut into long strips. Fold as shown and make 4 dough rolls. Take each roll, flatten and roll again. Roll gently after folding so the layers don't break. Heat medium oil in a pan and fry the parathas on both sides until golden and crispy. Keep the heat medium to cook evenly without burning. Paratha provides energy as it's rich in carb. Using milk in the dough adds softness and nutrition. You can fry in less oil or even shallow fry for a lighter version. Whole wheat flour can be used for extra fiber. Lachha paratha is famous for its beautiful layers that puff up when fried. The word lachha means layers in Hindi. It's a popular street food in India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Traditionally, it's cooked on a tawa, but deep frying makes it extra crispy. Your crispy Lachha Paratha is ready to enjoy with curry, chutney or even plain yogurt. And that's it, golden crispy and flaky Lachha Paratha, just like restaurant style but made at home. Do you like your parathas crispy or soft? Which curry would you pair with this Lachha Paratha? Should I show you a healthier tawa version next? Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes.